Greetings and welcome to our new channel. I'm here to take you on an Odyssey into Oratory. This channel is designed for all and any who are looking to improve their communication skills. But it's especially here to assist those who are upperly mobile in the corporate or entrepreneurial worlds, for those who are looking to improve and to profit from improving their presentation and speaking skills. I'll be posting videos once a week, most likely on a Monday or a Tuesday. While the central focus of the videos will be all things public speaking, we'll cover all manner of communication situation that one encounters in the world of commerce: interviews, sales meetings, quarterly reviews, profit and loss reviews, product launches, keynotes, and on the list goes. The videos will have how-tos and best practices, and we'll also discuss speech theory and how we integrate that into the world of reality. Some aspects are transferable, some are not. We will analyze and learn from current high-profile speeches and historic ones too, but mostly I'll be offering proven communication strategies that get results in the real world. My background is this. I spent 4 decades in corporate America, from bagging groceries to the executive suite. I've been a lifelong student of great oratory. I participated in several executive speech programs, was a Dale Carnegie graduate 4 times, and a graduate assistant 2 more times, and I was a Toastmaster for over a decade. During all that time, I was an audience member for several hundred speeches and presentations. And more importantly, during that time, I have given several hundred speeches and presentations. So please, hit that red button and subscribe, and join me on this Odyssey into Oratory.